I mean, y'all, the proof is in the pudding. Look at my face. What is it giving? It's giving makeup, but no makeup look. That's what it's giving. It's giving a no makeup look for me. It's giving like, okay, she got on something, but not too much, not too heavy. She, you know, it's just right. That's what it's giving. Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And on this video is a new product alert. I've been using this new concealer. My mom actually bought it for me. This is Bye Bye Under Eye. Cause baby, throw them under eyes away, okay? This is my second time using this one and I'm gonna show you guys how it works and how it feels. This is gonna be my full review on it. Like I said, I've used it 2 times, so this will be the 3rd time I've used it. It is full coverage. I love the way it feels on my face, underneath my eyes. It is waterproof, so you can cry all you want, ladies. This ain't gonna come off. So going in with just a little bit, y'all. And I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit. I've already put on my primer, which was the Revlon primer. Then I used my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Rio 430. So now I'm just going in with my concealer. I did use the Beauty Concept, the dark circles corrector. So I just needed that to, you know, give me a little boost. Okay, y'all, so I just went ahead and put my concealer on. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye. And this is by It Cosmetics. Make sure y'all look up so you can get right underneath your eye. And I went in with like a light amount of foundation because like I said, for one, I'm going to a restaurant. We will probably be dining outside because we like to, you know, just look at the scenery and stuff like that. So, and it is like on the water. So yeah, want to make sure that I'm not sweating out my makeup and I'm not looking cakey because I never want to give cakey. This ain't no birthday. I ain't serving cake. But if you see me on my birthday, I'm still not gonna be serving cake face, but give me some cake, okay? Give me the cake, okay? But no, this is not that type of look. Like, it's just a soft look, not too much. Even though I went in with that Juvia's, which is kind of like a full coverage foundation, really, really full. I just used a little, so it didn't, you know, make my face look cakey. Because a little goes a long way when it comes to Juvia's Place products. So yeah, remember that. And this is how it looks so far with me blending in the concealer. Like I said, I really do like that concealer. It's giving, who was vamping last night? Not me. Not me, because where are those under eyes? They're gone. They're bye-bye baby. Like, what? No, ma'am. No. And I feel like those two are a really good combination. So you use that peach and then you go in with your concealer. And y'all know I'm gonna put my Juvia's concealer on top of this just to give me like that little glow. But yeah, that's it. Okay guys, this is the final look and my thoughts on the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye is gonna probably be a 9 out of 10. And like I said, I do love the fact that it's small. It's definitely full coverage. All you have to do is put a little bit underneath your eye, wait for it to dry down, and you can blend it in with your finger, or you could use a brush, or if you have a beauty blender. All of them work perfectly fine. I do love the fact that it's also waterproof. So, you know, you go to an event and you start crying, sis, it's okay. It's not gonna mess up. It's not gonna flake. You'll be okay. Your makeup is still gonna look flawless. Like, you know, it's giving, you know. So yeah, I do give this a 9 out of 10, y'all. I got this in the color 35.5 Rich. I don't know what the W is for, but it just says W. So 35.5 Rich W. I mean, y'all, the proof is in the pudding. Look at my face. What is it giving? It's giving makeup, but no makeup look. That's what it's giving. It's giving a no makeup look for me. It's giving like, okay, she got on something, but not too much, not too heavy. She, you know, it's just right. That's what it's giving. Just right. All right. Like always, don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, go buy this Bye Under Eye. Go get this like yesterday. If you got under eyes, you got bags, go get this. Because it's going to help you, okay, sis? Don't be walking around here looking sad when I told you to go get this.